All right, let's crush an instant nerdle. We got multiplication today, so these are always pretty tough. It's going to equal a triple-digit number. Multiplication is going to go there. That's the way this has to lay out. You're going to have, if you have multiplication, you're going to have a double digit times a single digit equals a triple digit, and it can flip-flop. Like the multiplication sign could have gone in either of these two places. Thankfully, we have the 3 here, so I know that this is the double-digit number and this is the single-digit number. So typically, I just start kind of systematically testing this value to multiply it with this value, which is going to tell me the last number, the ones digit in the answer. So let's just try some different numbers that could go here. So if this was an 8, 3 times 8 is 24. So we know that the triple digit number would end in a 4, and that is possible. So at this point, I've got 3 numbers in here that could work, and I just have to try the other 3 numbers on the screen to see if those are going to work. 50. So if it was 5 here, it was 50 times 8 is in the 400s, and we already used the 4, so that 4 can't go here. So 5 doesn't work here. 4 doesn't work. 2. Okay, 2. 23. That's in the 100s, right? No matter what. Yeah. So 20 times 8 is 160. Plus 24 would be 184. So that doesn't work. If I put a 6 here, that almost works. 63 times 8, 60 times 8 is 480, plus 24 would be 504, but we don't have a 0. I need somewhere to put this 2. Okay, so I've tried every possible number with the 8 being here, so 8 doesn't work here. If I put a 5 here, then 3 times 5 ends in 5, so that doesn't work. 3 times 4 is 12, so that would end in a 2. So now I can try different numbers here. 50 times 4 is in the 200s, so that's not going to work because we got the 2 here. 8 doesn't work here. 6, nope, that's in the 200s as well. 60 times 4 is 200, 240. Okay, so 4 doesn't work here. 2 is not going to work here. I mean, I can try it, but it's not going to work. If I put a 2 here, 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, it can't end in 6, so actually it doesn't work. So I think it has to be the 6 here. 3 times 6 ends in 8, because that's 18. 50 times 6 would be in the 300s. We don't have another 3. 40 times 6 is in the 200s. That looks pretty good. Is that going to be it? 40 times 6 is 240, plus 18 is 258. There's an instant error for you, dude. There it is. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.